Ganja, marijuana, world healer, natural power. Jah, free up Jah earth, legalize it, legalize it. Oh Lord, free up Jah earth, legalize it, legalize it. Yes now, oh and you take your turn. I don't see nothing wrong. So don't belong to you. A meditation so strong. I said I come for a sake and me make you the fool. Babylon, you stand up on the street side with a gun on your waist, say protecting I and I. Babylon, the evil is a man. Oh, every lie you create and a breaks our cry. Legalize it, legalize it. Oh Lord, free up your earth. The battlefield, you know, in times of war, them all I need to be. Sign your name upon the bottom line, and the damn government give them some drugs that can mess up their mind. You see them as they walk in a community, like goddamn zombies, they freak all of you and me. The mind are gone in the gutter and them cannot see. The Satan corrupt this world and a Jah can free. Legalize it, legalize it. Oh Lord, free up Jah earth, legalize it, legalize it. Yes now, I got to take it down.
But tell me why Babylon and them a have a problem. Them a fight against me with their herbal meditation. Fight me with a split, try put a anchor for me hand. Talk about they wanna take me down on station. But no Babylon, you couldn't have my freedom. Cause yesterday general me have a much bigger plan. So maybe one day Babylon will understand and legalize the weed all over the land.
How would this a whole damn world be without decency? It's been so negative. I said I free it up, I like the birds and the bees. Let the high man go grow and cultivate. You watch me as me do what